Okay, so you know how sometimes you go to the store,
Uh-huh.
like for just one thing, and you end up
Yeah.
coming home with like a bag full of stuff?
Totally.
So this happened to me yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
I went to the store for toothpaste.
Okay.
Just toothpaste. That's all I needed
Right.
to, brush my teeth.
Yeah, of course.
And when I left the store, I had snacks.
Oh, no.
I had this candle. It smelled really good.
Nice.
And a new coffee cup.
Oh, wow.
But guess what I forgot?
The
The
toothpaste.
toothpaste.
Oh, that's the worst.
I know. I was so mad at myself when I got home.
Yeah, I feel you.
It's like my brain just like shuts off when I see all the shiny things.
I know, right? It's like you just want everything.
Exactly. Like I need all of it,
Yeah.
but I don't really.
I think I do the same thing online.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was online the other day
Huh?
looking for like a birthday present for my mom,
Okay.
and this picture popped up of this tea kettle.
A tea kettle?
Yeah, I love tea. And it was like this super fancy tea kettle.
Mm.
And I already have a tea kettle, but
Yeah.
this one was so shiny and new.
So you bought it?
I bought it.
Wow.
I know. I don't even know why.
It's so easy to just click buy online.
It is. It's dangerous.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like real money sometimes.
I know, right?
And then when the thing shows up,
Yeah,
it's not even that exciting anymore.
totally. You're just like, oh, yeah, that thing I bought.
Exactly. The excitement is gone.
Gone.
So today we're doing a deep dive into this whole thing.
Yes.
Buying things we don't need.
It's a problem.
It is.
Yeah.
We're going to talk about why we do it
Yeah.
and some simple ways to be more careful with our money.
Yes, some easy things to try.
If you've ever bought something and then regretted it,
Uh-huh.
this is for you.
Definitely.
So we've all been there, right?
Totally.
That moment where you have a new thing
Yeah.
that you didn't even know you wanted 5 minutes ago.
I know that feeling.
So what can we actually do about it?
That's the big question.
Yeah, I've been trying a few things
Oh, tell me.
to like stop myself from overspending.
Okay, I'm listening.
So first of all, I'm trying this thing where I make a list.
A list.
Yeah, before I go shopping. It's like a
Okay.
real paper list.
Not your phone.
No, pen and paper.
Old school.
Old school. And the important part,
Yeah.
if it's not on the list,
Uh-huh.
I don't buy it.
No matter what.
No matter what. It's hard, but I'm trying.
That's a good idea, though.
Yeah, it makes you think about what you actually need.
Yeah, before you're surrounded by all the tempting things.
Exactly. The store is dangerous.
It is. I should try the list thing.
You should. It really helps.
Okay. Oh, what else?
Okay, this one's about waiting.
Waiting.
Yeah. So if I see something I want,
Uh-huh.
that's not on my list.
Right.
I don't let myself buy it right away.
You just walk a while.
I make myself wait at least a day,
24 hours.
24 hours.
Yeah.
Like a cooling off period.
That's a good idea. I like that.
Yeah, because a lot of times that feeling of, I need this right now,
Yeah.
it goes away after a while.
It does. You realize you didn't really need it.
Exactly. And sometimes I even forget about it by the next day.
That's a good sign.
It is. It means I didn't actually need it.
For sure.
Okay, here's another thing I'm doing,
Okay. Tell me.
especially for online shopping.
Yeah. Online is dangerous.
It is.
What have you-
So I took away my saved credit card information
Oh, from the website.
from all the websites.
That's smart.
Yeah. So now
Yeah.
when I want to buy something,
You have to like type it all in.
I've typed in all the numbers.
That would slow me down for sure.
Me too. It makes you stop and think.
Yeah, like, do I really want to do this?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's not so easy to just click and buy.
It's a good barrier.
It is.
Okay.
Okay. And then
What else?
this one's about how much I spend overall.
Okay.
So I've set a limit for myself.
Like a budget.
Yeah, a budget. Just for extra stuff.
So not for like rent and bills.
No,
Yeah.
that's separate. This is for like fun stuff.
Okay.
So like
Yeah.
clothes.
Books, coffee, whatever.
So you have like a fun money budget.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And once that money's gone,
Hmm.
no more fun stuff until next month.
Wow, that takes discipline.
It does. It's hard.
Huh?
But it makes me think more carefully about what I buy.
I bet it does.
Yeah, because I know I have a limit.
Yeah, you can't just buy everything you see.
Nope. Okay, last one.
Okay, hit me.
This is a question I ask myself.
A question.
Yeah, before I buy anything that's not, like, essential.
Like food or medicine.
Right. So I ask myself,
Yeah.
will I still be using this 1 year from now?
Wow, that's a good one.
Yeah, it makes you think long term.
It does. It's not just about the excitement of right now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because some things are just trends.
Totally. And they'll be gone next year.
And then you're stuck with all this stuff you don't even use.
I like that question a lot.
It's a good one.
So what do you think?
I think those are all really good ideas.
Yeah.
Especially like that waiting thing.
A 24-hour rule.
Yeah, I think I'm going to try that one.
It's easy to do.
Yeah, and it could make a big difference.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Hopefully these little changes
Yeah.
will help us all save some money.
For sure. And if anyone listening has their own tips for avoiding impulse buys,
Yeah.
we'd love to hear them.
So let us know. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
Yes. Thanks for listening.
Remember, everyone, spend smart,
Not fast.
not fast.
And,
Don't forget the toothpaste.
oh my gosh, yes, the toothpaste. If you liked these tips,
Yeah.
click subscribe and like.
So you can see more.
More easy tips and tricks.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.